Good morning, students. We were doing triangles and we have already completed Thales theorem, converse of the Thales theorem. Today we will start exercise 6.1. So let us see, starting with the sum number 2. So in sum number 2, you have to give the examples. 2 examples for the similar figures and 2 examples for the non-similar figures. So here are the 2 examples. Any 2 rectangles, one is smaller, another is bigger, but both are similar figures. So if you will take any rectangles, any number of rectangles, all will be similar. Second example, squares. Squares of any size, all are similar. And coming to this example of non-similar figures, let us see what are they. First is here a scalene and equilateral triangle. They are never similar because all the 3 sides are different. That's why all the angles are also different. Here sides are equal as well as angles are also equal. So that's why they are non-similar. Coming to this equilateral, second example, equilateral and the right angle triangle. Equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. But in this right angle triangle, it is not like that because one angle is compulsory of 90 degree. So depending upon this 90 degree, the size of the different sides, the angle will also change. Both angle may be equal, may not be equal, but one angle will be 90 degree, which is not the condition here in the equilateral triangle. So this is again one example of the non-similarity, non-similar figures. So this is all about this example number, sum number 2. Now here is the sum number 3. 2 figures, 2 quadrilaterals are given. See the question. Here all the 4 sides are 1.5 centimeter, but the angles are not 90 degree. Whereas in the second, here all the angles, all the 4 angles are of 90 degree, and it is also, all the sides are also equal. So it is also a square. All the sides are equal. Here it is 3 centimeter. Though sides are equal, it is a square. Also angles are 90 degree, but here angles are not 90 degree, not same. These 2 angles are same and these 2 angles are same. Those sides are equal, but angles are not same. So again it is a case of non-similarity. So these 2 quadrilaterals are not similar. So after completing the sum number 2 and 3, now here is the sum number 1. Let us see, it is just to fill up the blanks. So here sum number 1, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Total, you have to fill up the blanks in 4 questions. So first one is all circles are, 2 options are given. So here it will be similar. You see the book, what are the 2 options, but the correct option is similar. So circles, whether any size of the circle, but all circles are similar. So all circles are similar. Second number, all squares are similar. Whatever the size of the square, but it is always similar. Squares are always similar. So again 2 options are given. For every question there are 2 options. One is correct, another is incorrect. So you choose, this is the correct answer, similar. All squares are similar. Next, third one, all dash what is there in this dash? All triangles are similar. All equilateral triangles are similar. Because scalene triangles are not similar. Isosceles are also not similar. And right angle triangles are also not similar. So only it is the equilateral triangles which are similar. This is the correct option. Then coming to the fourth, two polygons of the same number of sides. This is also, you can say, it is a rule for the polygons, similarity of the polygons. So two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Suppose there are two polygons having the same number of sides. Like you take quadrilateral, two quadrilaterals having the 4 number of sides each. If it is pentagon, hexagon, any heptagon, octagon, all take two hexagon, two octagon. So they are all are having the same number of sides. So two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Here are the two conditions. First one. The first one is their corresponding angles are equal. Their corresponding angles must be equal. And second criteria, their corresponding sides are proportional. Their corresponding sides are not equal. Always remember, it must be proportional. Okay, so these are the two criteria. Angles are equal, sides are proportional. Then any polygon, whether it is nonagon, decagon, whatever it is, all polygons of 11 sides, polygon of 12 sides, all polygons will be similar. So two polygons are corresponding sides are proportional. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Okay, this is all about this exercise. Today I have completed 1, 2, 3, all the sums of this exercise. Not left anyone, even a single sum for you. So now your work is very easy because this exercise closed. Next day we will start exercise 6.2. Okay, do the revision of these things, theorems, Thales theorem, also the converse of the Thales theorem, very important. So have a nice day. Thank you very much. Bye.